Hi everyone, today is Wednesday, March the 18th. We are doing the sewer inspection after the sewer line has been repaired. The property address located at 633 12th Street, Santa Monica. We're gonna do the same thing that we did on the previous video before the repairs. So we got up to 90 feet and then we're gonna start pulling back the camera so we can see the whole line that has been replaced underneath the house. Then for the second part of the video, we will go ahead and run the camera from the clean out on the back of the house towards the alley to show the repairs that was done on the sewer lateral with permaliner and with a top hat at the city connection. So we're gonna go ahead and start pulling back the camera. All this pipe, it seems to be a 4-inch ABS plastic, which is a section underneath the house that it has a crawl space access. So I'm going to tell you when we get, okay, right here, this is the newer pipe that was updated or upgraded to ABS plastic right underneath the house. On the previous video, all this was all cast iron, very corroded pipe. So now it's a new ABS plastic. There's a combination between plastic and cast iron pipe that they use to replace the sewer under the house, which it's okay as long as the slope it's right. So here's a transition between plastic and cast iron, but the cast iron, it's newer, so it's in very good condition. So this is all the new pipe, cast iron, that was replaced. These are the new connections to the main. You can see the difference of the pipe now. Everything is nice and smooth, so nothing will get caught on the joints or in any section of the pipe. This is a 90-degree turn, so we're coming back to the side of the house. Here it goes back to ABS plastic pipe. Now this pipe, it seems to be a 3-inch ABS plastic. Now this is the transition to the. This is an older ABS plastic pipe, but it's in very good condition. So this didn't have to be replaced, so they didn't. Again, this is older ABS plastic pipe that it's in very good working condition. So we're heading out to the clean out on the side of the wall. We're about to come out from the clean out. Here it is. That's the 3-inch clean out on the wall. It's on the side of the house. So now we're going to go ahead and proceed to run the camera from the clean out on the back. Okay, this is the continuation of the video inspection. Right now we are at the city sewer connection. This is the channel. Right here you can see the top hat, which is this part right here. It's to seal the city's sewer connection and the lateral. Before, it was a bunch of roots right here in this area. So now everything has been sealed, and the sewer lateral has been repaired with Permaliner. All this is your rehabilitated sewer line. This is a 6-inch sewer lateral, and it transitions to a 4-inch right here. You can see where it makes the cone. This is a special liner that it comes in a 4x6. So I'm gonna show you right now where was the sunken connection, and now it's all even. So here it was a sunken connection right here. Now you can see the whole pipe. And all this is the old ABS plastic pipe underneath or under the backyard, and it's in very good condition. So we access this sewer right here through a 4-inch clean out on the floor by the back door. Okay, we're about to come out of the sewer line right here, and this is the 4-inch clean out on the ground, and this is the back door for the backyard of the property. Okay, so that's it for today. My name is Jose Palma with Drainbus Routing.